The Local Show, sponsored by Victory in Motion, home of knee repair, not knee replacement, on News Radio 570 WSYR, on 106.9 FM, and live everywhere on the iHeartRadio app. The Local Show features in-depth conversation with business owners, employees, and influential business leaders throughout Central New York, exploring their successes, challenges, and reasons for doing business right here in our growing community. The Local Show is produced locally by Zoe Advertising. Now your hosts, Tom and Steve.
We're back into it, and we are certainly back at it. This is The Local Show on 570 WSYR, 106.9 FM. We are broadcasting from the Zoe Advertising Studios, and they're sponsored by Victory in Motion, home of knee repair, not knee replacement. And you can see us on YouTube, and I do encourage you to check out Zoe Advertising on the YouTube channel.
Please do. We're here.
Steve is back in action. Did you take any videos of your little trip, your excursion?
Got a great video of, we went on a dolphin boat, I guess you would call it, and the thing was speeding on, and the dolphins were jumping in the wake.
In the wakes. Isn't that beautiful?
And my wife was like, woo, wee, woo. She did it. I was like, that's cool. She got a little excited about the whole dolphin thing.
I tried to major in dolphin in college, and they just they had just gotten rid of the course.
No.
I wanted to be a dolphin. Somebody that we're bringing back to the show, very happy to have her here, Adrienne Smith Levatino. Am I saying all those names right?
I did get married since the last time I was here. Yes.
That's wonderful.
Married an Irish person.
Well,
Italian.
Italian.
It was a joke.
Congratulations.
You're one of Tom's people now.
Yeah, for sure. We're related, probably.
That's great.
Cousins.
Yeah.
She's the director of media relations at Nascentia Health, and boy, they're doing a lot of great things, and we had a wonderful event that I participated in last year. I'm going to do it again this year, but first, tell us your background. Where'd you come from, and why are you here?
Well, I'm here to promote our upcoming Disco Inferno that's happening on Friday, April 24th, so just less than a week away. We're very excited, but I come from Utica, New York. And I used to work in the news business, for those who may not know, and now I am happily on the other side of the industry, working in media relations and spreading the word about all that Nascentia Health does and offers.
That's wonderful. And last year, the Disco Inferno, I found out, actually supports the foundation kind of within Nascentia, right?
Yes.
Explain how that relationship is.
So for those who might not know all of what Nascentia does, the way that I kind of explain it is Nascentia Health is the umbrella, and then there are multiple raindrops falling underneath. And that one of them is the charitable foundation. Basically, that is our charitable efforts to raise money for and awareness for our patients and their families who are in need of the most high quality, skilled care that they need, or basic necessities like diapers.
Medical, non-medical? Explain like how?
So our Vice President of Development and Strategic Partnerships, Ashley Shadd, she is in charge of overseeing the charitable foundation. And basically, it's any requests that we get in from a clinician who is going inside of the homes, working with these patients. If there's a need they need diapers because they can't afford them, we will help. And if they need a wheelchair ramp to get inside of their home because they are declining physically, we will help where we can.
So it's one of the objectives to keep people at home? Is that one of the...
And that's our whole premise as a home health care agency, is keeping people where they want to be in their homes and getting the most high quality care there.
That's important.
Yeah, it
But
is.
you also have the facility that we have the Disco Inferno at, which is the old Beaches in Rome, which is it called something different now?
It is Beaches Manor,
Okay.
and this is a part of the company's greater, again, another raindrop here, but this is a part of the greater Nascentia Neighborhood Project.
Right.
And what this is, we have to give credit to our leadership, executive leadership, specifically our CEO and president, Kate Rolfe. She had a vision to purchase the property, 72 acres in the city of Rome, and transform it. And the first phase of that was transforming and opening and operating again Beaches Manor. And for those, out in the Rome and Oneida County way, that was like a huge staple for people growing up and going to. So we're really happy to be diving into the hospitality industry, and we're doing, I'd say, a very great job at that. And again, it's a part of the greater picture for transforming not just the Beaches Manor into a restaurant, pub, event space, but hopefully and we're working towards an aging in place community for those 55 and older.
So backing up to the Disco Inferno, if people wanted to go to that, where would they get tickets for that?
Yes, so that is, you can visit NascentiaHealth.org. You can learn all about Disco Inferno. We have a sublink that you can go to. We have a whole specific landing page, and that really is just it's our second annual. It's a high, fun, energy night. Tom can speak from his experience as our DJ.
We crank it right up.
And
Our Tom?
Yeah.
No, the Tom next door. No,
Yes,
but
it was a rocking good time.
it was so-
Everybody in costume.
everyone's in
it's beautiful.
costumes, and again, we're just trying to find ways to spread the word about what we do and get people behind the mission of the charitable foundation and our organization, because and I can speak just from experience riding with clinicians going into these homes. A lot of the time, you can't even believe the types of conditions that some of our patients are unfortunately living in.
Yeah.
So any way that we can help, even if it's through bell bottoms and platform shoes, we will do that.
What kind of community are you looking to develop out there? Last year, I saw a lot of trees were cleared and buildings were going up. And what's happening? What's the vision?
Yeah, same premise. So again, this is going to be an active, aging in place community. We're hoping to bridge that gap for the people who might retire, want to downsize, might not want to be a full-time snowbird, and still have a place to be in the central New York area.
Got it.
So yeah, it's going to be pickleball courts, walking trails, homes, obviously. They have to have a place over their, the roof over their heads.
Outstanding. And if people want to donate and or participate as a company, I know that we have a friend of the local shows who's been on a couple times, Dr. Droz.
Yes.
Drozd.
With
Dr. Drozd.
Project Fibonacci and Andrew. Yes. Shout out to Andy if you're listening to this.
He's a board member and does a lot up there.
Yes, he's great. And obviously having access to Andrew, such a great company, and so many other businesses and organizations who are supporting Disco and all of our other efforts too. It is obviously greatly appreciated. We're always looking for more partnerships and businesses to partner with. So if you're interested in, getting in touch with us,
a company can get in touch with you. Should they reach right out to Ashley?
They should reach out to Ashley. They can reach out to me. Great. Either way, we'll get it in the right hands.
And if somebody, how am I trying to say this? How do I know that someone can use your services? If I have a friend or I'm talking to someone, at what point should they reach out to you, or do I reach out to you about them?
So I'm marketing specific, and it's amazing because our organization, we serve 48 counties, in that we have a team of 700 employees. And that spans from, again, clinicians, marketing, administrative staff, but also our care coordinators.
Wow.
So they can call Nascentia's number on our website to learn more and get connected to the right people, whether it's long-term care or occupational therapy, virtual therapy.
So a care coordinator is kind of someone would have a conversation with that individual?
Exactly.
Okay. It sounds a little like our folks on Meals on Wheels that have been out a bunch of time. They touch people, they're there, they do like a well check, but a lot of people live alone in situations and maybe their health declining and they could use some help. It sounds like you would be a good call.
Oh, yes, for sure.
What is your footprint? How much area do you guys cover?
48 counties all throughout the state. So I think people think, because our headquarters is right in Syracuse.
Yeah, I thought you were just very local.
We have Rome. No, we have offices in Latham, Buffalo, Rochester.
Oh my goodness.
Spread throughout the entire state, which is great.
Wonderful.
So NascentiaHealth.org, you're going to find all kinds of information, answers.
All those little teardrops that I talked about, and that overarching umbrella, NascentiaHealth.org is definitely the place you want to go, because then you can find all the information about all the other things
Disco.
we're doing.
Disco Inferno's on there?
Disco's very important. We're still selling tickets. VIP tickets are still available, limited amount, and we hope you'll party with us.
Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.